Okay, folks, a pretty bad train derailment in Latvia has left a few people injured and left oil spilling into the environment. We're seeing a slight spreading of the bird flu around India, Indonesia, and the Malaysia region. And in Argentina, the people have had to rise up against the powers that be in order to get fresh water. It's a really bad situation there. Breaking away from the RSOE for just a moment, Iraq has really deteriorated lately, and this kind of instability only serves to make the entire World War III situation worse. And for those of you who think we have an earthquake weapon, you remember the earthquakes that were happening around Libya and Egypt earlier this March? Well, this is about the third 5.0 we've seen in southern Iran in the last few weeks, all of them right near the Strait of Hormuz. You can make up your own mind. Folks, we'll post a link to this article below. They're using magnets to test the weightlessness of flies and how they move. They're going to eventually try to translate that to humans. And they're finding out that mercury released from volcanic eruptions was a prime player, along with the methane that was released from the polar ice and climate change in creating the largest extinction of all time. By the way, we're seeing a lot of similar effects in our northern and southernmost regions as well. Having a look at the sun, we're going to take a look at this solar active region right here. It is labeled beta gamma. Now, there are actually two on the sun labeled beta gamma right now, but let's take a look at this one up close. Now, you can see over here we have a small red segment and a big red segment, but we really only have one blue spot. Now, what that's going to serve to do is that's going to split the well, you can see it right here. You can see how that's the one blue spot over there on the left, and the rays, the loops that come out of there go to both sides, so we have one point of polarity connecting to two different points of opposite polarity, and this could become unstable very easily. Just in the last 12 hours, we've seen a lot of ejecta. We haven't seen any big flares or CMEs, but that could change very quickly. We also have a lot of magnetic filaments that are just turning towards the Earth right now, and these can become unstable at any time. We also have this solar active region, which is just turning over a limb right now. It became pretty unstable yesterday, and we need to watch out for this. NASA says there was no real ejection. I believe if you look here, you can see there was a small ejection there. So let's keep an eye out for that as it turns toward the Earth, and we do have to watch out for these magnetic filaments. It's only a matter of time before one rips off at us. That's the news. Be safe, everyone.